What's up sa inyo mga kalagarahe? Welcome back to our channel. Good day mga kalagarahe. New day, new build. For today's video mga kalagarahe, another episode na naman ng ating motor reveal. And for today's base bike, ang gamit po natin is Honda TMX 125. Bale, ang nangyari dito is, yung client natin is also from CDO. So, taga dito din sa atin. And then, tayo na po nag-provide ng base bike para sa kanya. So, when we bought the base bike, nasa pangalan na po ng client mga kalagarahe, alright? Just like our other clients, all the details was in the client's name. So, ang request lang ni client is, may build na kaming ganito kasi dati. Ang request niya lang was the change of color. So, everything else was of the same build as yung ginawa natin before. Pero may mga minor na addition lang na pina-add si bossing sa atin para gawin dito sa build na to. Explain ko na po yung mga ginawa natin sa build na to and papakita ko yung specs. Let's go! Before ko po ipapakita yung full specs ng build na to mga kalagaray, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung full look ng motor na to. Ayan. So basically, this is a scrambler build. So ayan mga kalagaray. Now, start tayo dito sa itaas kung ano yung ginawa natin. For the handlebar, we use this mid-rise handlebar. And then this digital speedometer. And then for the grips, this Vans. Ayan, as you can see, may logo po yan ng Vans. Ayan, Vans handle grips. Na brown with the matching color sa seat. And then, for the side mirror, ayan po, yung bagong favorite natin na side mirror. And then, yung 333 and triple clamp, converted na po. And then, bigger forks. Ayan, naka-fork boots na din. And then, disc brake converted. Dito naman sa headlight, mga kalagaray, ang ginamit natin is LED with ring light. Ayan. With our favorite na turn signal light, yung mini. So, ayan. With the custom headlight bracket. And then, dito sa cowl or visor niya mga kalagarahe, as requested ni client, gumawa po tayo ng aluminum hand shape na visor or headlight cowl. Ayan, so hand shape po natin yan mga kalagarahe. Same po dito sa front fender mga kalagarahe. Custom and handmade po ito, as you can see. And then same as with the rear fender. Ayan. With our tail light. Sorry, hindi ko pa na-unwrap. Ayan. Our favorite na tail light. And then with our mini turn signal light din sa likod with its custom bracket. Ayan. And then dito sa seat, custom and hand shape yung seat with heat press na lagarahe. Ayan. And then dito sa tank, this is a universal classic gas tank na kinabit natin. Yung mounting niya, modified na rin para mag-fit sa Honda TMX 125. And sa paint job mga kalagarahe, as requested ni client, actually pumunta siya dito para patingin ko yung pag-mix ko sa paint. So, we came up with this gun metallic gray color. Yan, as you can see. With coarse metallic. Ayan. So, it's very metallic. And then, custom line na strip. Black. And then, Honda logo. And our Lagaraje logo over here. Ayan. So, Anza po ang ginamit natin sa paint job nito. Same as with the headlight and the cowl. para mag-match yung color scheme natin. Yan. Sa engine naman mga kalagarahe, painted na din ito as requested ni client, gloss. And then dito sa skid plate, this is a custom skid plate, just like the one I showed you in the previous video. Naka bead roll na po mga kalagarahe, and then naka dimple die. Ayan, so it's sturdier. And then powder coated po yan mga kalagarahe. Alright? And then dito sa swing arm naman mga kalagarahe, extended po yan dito. I don't know if you can notice it. I just want to show you the detail. So that's our swing arm. Yan. Pero dito na part po yan. Walang masilya po yan mga kalagarahe since it's powder coated. So powder coated na yan. And for the shocks, rear shocks, pinalitan na po natin ng bago. And with shock extension. So bullet pipe version 2 po, yung favorite natin. With matte finish. Yan, as you can see. And then, naka-thermal wrap na yung elbow niya. Na brown, para mag-match din yung browns. And then, yung another special request ni client dito po mga kalagarahe is yung rim. Yes, yung rims. As you can see, it is very unique and hindi common sa mga builds natin kasi as requested ni client, ipa-powder coat sa atin yung rims. So, those are SPD rims. But we powder coated it into light bronze. So, as you can see. So, nag-pop siya yung color niya. So, mas naging attractive yung kulay ng motor na to. Dahil sa small detail na ginawa natin, which is powder coating the rims. And then, naka-tubeless convert na po yan mga kalagarahe. So, wala nang interior. As you can see over here. Ayan. Nakapito na po yan. And then for the tires mga kalagarahe, those are 17-inch rims and tires. And then 110 sa harapan, 120 sa likuran. So, ayun mga kalagarahe. I hope you liked our new scrambler build na Honda TMX 125. So, shout out sa'yo, Boss Phil. Same kami ng name. Actually, Phyllis yung sa kanya. So, shout out sa iyo po, boss. Thank you for trusting Lagarahe in building your custom scrambler build. So, for more inquiries and for more information, please don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page. And if you want to reach us out, you can reach us out on our Facebook, Viber, and WhatsApp account. So, yun mga Kalagarahe. Peace out!